The St. Catherine South Police are probing the circumstances surrounding the discovery of what is suspected to be human remains in Zambia Central Village in the parish on Tuesday. A joint military team was on operation in the area about 8 a.m. when members were alerted by a foul odor. They went to investigate and saw a shallow grave with human remains and items of clothing. The scene was processed and the remains removed to the morgue for post-mortem. The St. Anne police are investigating the death of a 44-year-old hospital attendant. She has been identified as Kamika Ailey, who was employed at the St. Anne Bay Regional Hospital. It is believed that Ailey was killed sometime between Thursday night and Saturday. Observer Online understands that she was either strangled or hit with a blunt instrument. The incident reportedly happened in Charlestown, St. Anne's Bay. Police have identified the two men who died as a result of injuries they sustained during a crash on Mountainside Main Road in St. Elizabeth on Tuesday night. Police named the deceased men as Winston Sinclair, 61, a resident of Little Park District, and Veron Forbes, a resident of Mountainside. A police report said at about 8:30 p.m. a Toyota Axia motor car traveling northerly failed to keep left and collided with a Champion motorcycle on which the men were traveling in the opposite direction. They were reportedly flung from the motorcycle upon impact. The injured men were taken to Black River Hospital where they were pronounced dead. 19-year-old Enrico Chambers, a farmer from Little London in Westmoreland, was chopped to death during an altercation with two men in the parish earlier this month. It is reported that Chambers was sitting in a relative's yard when an altercation erupted between him and two other men, one of which threatened him before leaving. Later, the accused men returned harm with machetes and inflicted several chop wounds to Chambers, who was later pronounced dead at hospital. The police, acting promptly on information, located and apprehended one of the men, identified as Wade Dennis, in Top Road, Little London in the parish. He was subsequently charged with murder. On Monday, January 28, his co-accused, who is not yet charged, turned himself into the police. The investigators exhibited commendable dedication and efficiency in swiftly bringing the alleged perpetrators to justice.